everybody. Today what I'm holding on my knees is several pieces of leather. Actually, it's the leather we use for our production. We are craftsmen of leather. We make leather bags, leather wallets, and other accessories of leather. So we would like to spread the craft of leather, the art of leather to the world. So we decided to sell not only the bags and other accessories, but also the leather, because we can clearly say that it's a very high quality, very beautiful leather, and it's a good option to start your craftsmanship. So first of all, it's Italian vegetable tanned certified hand-dyed leather. And full grain leather means that every unique characteristic of a leather is visible on the surface. Only hair and grass were removed, and every scratch marks are visible, and that makes the leather, that gives the leather very unique look. Also, it gets patina over the time. It means that the leather gets more beautiful over the time while you are using it. The back side of the leather is also very beautifully finished. The leather has a pull-up effect. It means that when you bend the leather, it changes the color a bit. After you return to previous position, you can see that the color is a little bit different here. And after using the item from this leather for some time, the item changes its color a little bit over the time, because then you rub this place or bend it to a different direction, it also changes the color a little bit, and it gives the uniqueness for the item itself. The leather is dye-through, so it means that the dyeing process took place in the drums, and after that leather is finished by hands. But dye-through means that the leather in the middle, it's also dyed. As you can see, the leather is thick. It's from 7 to 8 ounces, and it's perfect for case for your knife. It's perfect for making a wallet, cover for your book, or cover for your journal. You can use it for stamping, sewing, crafting, tooling. It's pretty much you can apply, you can use this leather for a lot of different purposes. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great luck with your crafts.